Welcome to the channel, 5 Minutes of Value. My name is Brock. Let's dive right in. Today I am going to be talking about PayPal. I do think PayPal is coming to an area on the technicals, which is basically the stock chart for PayPal. It's coming into an area of support, previous area of support. Let's take a look. Resistance, right here, bounced off here, went up, and now we're down. So I think with people not lending as much money because interest rates are still high, we could see more of a pullback. So I'm kind of watching this area, basically this 66, 65 area, 67, I guess, around this area, to kind of see if it pulls back more. But this could be definitely an area where we head up from here. But we are under, I believe this is the 200. We are now under the 200. We were above it for a little bit, and then we fell right through. And I believe this is due to the conflict in Iran, or between Iran and Israel. So kind of going through PayPal presentation. So founded in 1998, headquartered in San Jose. Basically, it's a digital payment platform for consumers and merchants. They have PayPal, Venmo, Zoom, and Honey. Branded checkout, crypto, diverse funding integrations. PayPal's pretty much known worldwide. It did dip quite a bit from its 2022 highs, which is, oh my gosh, $300. So it did lose a lot of market cap due to competitors and just bigger players coming into the space. But I still see PayPal as a big opportunity. Venmo is like a verb. A lot of people are using Venmo. Kind of looking, this is ChatGPT. So looking at Venmo revenues up 20% in Q1 2025, even though they're saying that the economy is weak. Transaction margin up 7%. Continued strong Q2 with revenue up 8% year over year. So single digit grower. Kind of want to see if that goes up to double digits next year and see what it finishes off with for this year. They have the Venmo debit card, partnerships, and buy now, pay later. They always have branded checkouts and global expansion. That's an opportunity. So doing a little bit more of a deep dive on that, see where their opportunity is. So impact, they have strong margin growth, strategic positioning for future upside. Technically speaking, I'm interested in PayPal, but as far as doing the homework on PayPal, I don't own PayPal anymore, so I'm not up to date on PayPal. I did sell PayPal back up in the 90s, and it was a pretty good sell for me. Fundamental analysis, revenue is up in 2024, 6.8%. So Q2 revenue was up 8%. Overall revenue in 2024 was up 6.8%. So for 2025, it's not a big number to beat. So it's something to watch. Net income in 2024, 4.15 billion, and then the forward PE is 13. So pretty low for the valuation, and price target is 15 to 17% upside, 83. So that would be right above this area. So I think this is the area that I have marked as a target, and it looks like there's a lot of price targets around the 80s. So just something to watch. Kind of already showed the technical analysis, but current price 86, that is wrong. So that's why you always want to check ChatGPT. Pros, a leading global digital platform. Cons, competition from fintech disruptors and macroeconomic headwinds, and regulatory risks with global expansion and crypto initiatives. Lower revenue growth, 6 to 7% compared to pure fintechs. So this is an overall company that is too big to fail. Maybe in the long term it can, but as of right now, I see it as pretty steady, not going anywhere, and good little opportunity if you want to make a 15 to 17% upside. Definitely could see it hitting that 80 target, but we do want to stay focused on what's going to be going on in the macro, and also keep valuations. So we have earnings coming up July 29th. So right now I'm just going to be patient. I'm not buying PayPal, so I will wait. It's about a month and a week and a half or so, something like that. But yeah, guys, this is a video on PayPal. Thanks for watching. 5 minutes of value. Peace.